Once again, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Crypto Daily. In today's video, we are going to talk about how the on-chain data analysis will go for false token claiming. So the on-chain claiming which goes live after the TGE has been started, the TGE has been started on 18 March. So the on-chain will be started lately after the TGE. So before we go directly into our video, so if this is your first time to across my YouTube channel, kindly click the subscribe button, click the notification bell so that you will be notified whenever I upload the video. So let's go direct. So make sure you watch the video from the beginning to the end so that you may not miss any update regarding this on-chain token claiming. So the on-chain token, when the token claiming goes live for the official website for false, which is post.community, and then again here is the section that the users that has the voter that will come and trade the voucher and remain to the false token. So normally, as we know that the first voucher it is 300,000 points, which will be converted into 8,888. So here is the exact amount that you are going to getting for each one voucher. So the vouchers conversion was really really good. So let's go and see in the X account what may happen or what is happening regarding this update that I want to share with you guys. So let's go together. So here is the official X account for Force, which is you have it has 627k followers. So let's go scroll down. So 4 hours ago they announced that the claiming the exchange, which is CEX centralized exchange, has been ended, has been closed at our time 4 UTC, which is 15 UTC. So in the universal time clock. So here it is. So regarding the sending token to the exchange after the TGE, here it is. Here is the main section, here is the main social media handle that are going to announce the token claiming on that exact day, which is 18 February. So which is 18 March. So here it is. As you can see, the claiming token to the exchange was unfortunately didn't really been happy for other users, because too many users has multiple account, more than 2 account, because they made the claiming exchange to be 2 exchange, which the exchange that are going to list the token are too many exchange. It is more than 5 exchange that are going to list first when trading goes live on this day, which is 18/03/2025. So here it is. So here is all what I want to share with you guys. So without being so much, I want to make this video short. So if this is your first time to across my YouTube channel, kindly click the subscribe button, click the notification bell so that you will be notified when I upload the video. Thank you.